homeostasis works, the student will be able to learn about the following. Define the term homeostasis, mechanism of homeostasis in controlling the body function, working of homeostasis in negative feedback. So what affect the drastic change in the blood and tissue fluid? The blood change, tissue fluid change, what is the effect of this? What is needed to maintain body changes? How we control the changes in the body? Name the factor to be controlled. So first question is, what affects the drastic change in the blood and tissue fluid? It will affect chemical reaction in tissue fluid and will harm the body. If drastic change in blood and tissue fluid, what will affect? It will affect the chemical reaction in the tissue cell, or it will also harm the body. Secondly, what is needed to maintain the body changes? So basically homeostasis is needed to to control the body changes. Right temperature, name the factor to be controlled. So temperature should be right, correct pH of tissues, fluid and water potential. These are the factors that should be controlled in our body. What is homeostasis? Homeostasis is maintenance of constant internal environment. Internal environment means it balance the water content, salt and temperature. So these all are included in internal environment. It provides organism with certain degree of independence from variation in the external environment. It does not depend on the external environment. Process of keeping the composition of body fluid within narrow limit means it's a process in which we can keep the composition of body fluid in the narrow environment or in the narrow limit. What is the external environment? Internal environment. External environment is the environment in which organisms live. We are living in the where habitat is present. So habitat is also called external environment. Or it is one in which cell live in the mammal's tissue fluid. Our body is internal environment where cells of mammal or tissue fluid live over there. How homeostasis work in negative feedback? The body always bring about opposite effect to the change. How does the body know when to react? For any homeostasis control to occur, there must be a stimulus which is change in the internal environment. There is a stimulus which cause the changes in the internal environment. Receptor which detect the stimulus or self-regulatory corrective mechanism bring about negative feedback. Means brain will give us signal for respond. For example, there is a negative concentration of blood glucose. So our external environment will stimulus or receptor which can detect the stimulus, or our brain will give the feedback which is negative feedback. Negative feedback, as a result low glucose level will increase. This is all about mechanism of homeostasis.